just have a look at this channel. This channel has got 177k subscribers with just 326 videos. And just have a look at its earning. It's earning $349 in just a month. You can do the same if you want to. So in this video, I am going to tell you how you can do the same within few minutes. Now just have a look at these videos. He has got 39 million views, 36 million views, 17 million views. So now let's move toward the topic without wasting the further time. To create such a type of videos, the only thing you need here is a master prompt, which I'm going to give you in the description of this video. You can download it and you can copy it from the description. Now, let's move toward the topic. To create such a type of embroidery videos, first, you need an attractive or a cute or amazing picture which you want to convert into the embroidery. After that, you need to go to Google Flow. After going to Google Flow, you need to upload one picture here. As I already have one, so I need to click here on the three dots, then click on animate. After clicking on that animate button, you can see our image is showing up here. So after selecting the image, the only thing you need here is a master prompt. So we're going to copy this master prompt. As you guys can see, here are the two parts of master prompt, but you only need to copy that first part. So now just go to the Google Flow and paste that here. After pasting that here, you need to check its setting. Make sure the Omni Flash is selected here. After that, you need to click on that save button. After a few minutes, as you can see, here is our animation. And Google Flow has done it very beautifully. Now, the only thing you need to do here is to go to the end of this timeline. After going to the end of this timeline, you need to click here. When you click here, it will duplicate the ending picture of that timeline. So now click on that done button. As you can see, here is our picture. Now here's the game start. You need to click here on that animate button. After clicking on that animate button, it will appear here in front of you. Now the only thing you need to do here is to copy the second part of prompt, which is in the description of this video, as you can see here. Now you need to copy all of this second part. Now I copied it, and now we need to go here again on the Google Flow and paste it here. Also, make sure that here is the Omni Flash button active. Now I need to click here on the save button and click here on the submit button. After clicking on that submit button, you all know that it takes some time. So we should have to wait few minutes. So after submitting that second prompt, Google Flow may ask few questions. The only thing you need to do here is to answer those questions. So as you guys can see, after few minutes, Google Flow has created our second animation. Now, let's move toward the next step. Now, the only thing you need to do here is to click on the three dots again and download them. So after downloading the both files, the only thing you need here is a good video editor. In my case, I'm going to use Wondershare Filmora. Now, you need to import it in your timeline. After importing it in your timeline, make sure that the both clips attach beautifully. You can also add the music in your videos if you want.